Ding ding, welcome back. We are on to week 15. All right, this is going to be the last active week of the semester. So the last active week to turn anything in, and the grading window will be closed by next Monday, not this Monday. So next Monday, December 14th. All right. So with that being said, we are not going to have any Freaky Friday, and we're not going to have any sketches this week to better focus on our final exam or a final project. And for you guys, that's your watercolor movie poster. So as soon as you get done with that, that will count as your final project, your final exam, which is all in all 10% of your grade. If you do get done with this project early, and remember, we're taking a technique and pushing it into a movie poster. If you get done early, I want you to go back and get caught up on any other previous sketch checks, any previous Freaky Fridays, any previous projects. So yes, this is a week to focus on your final exam and make sure it looks as nice as possible. But this is also a really good week if you need to get caught up, or say something's been holding you back from turning things in on time. This is a good week just to go back and turn as much as you can in, because my motto is any grade is better than a 0. And so we want to turn everything in that we can. Please, please, please. All right, guys. I'm so excited. I saw your test responses when I asked you what movie poster you were going to do, and I saw so many great ideas. I'm so excited to see what you can do with this. If you need any help with your technique, please, please email me. I'd love to set up a one-on-one where I can do the technique with you online, and that way we can make sure your final is as pretty as possible. All right, guys, that's it. Have a nice day.